The wait is finally over. Fujifilm has officially pulled back the curtain on the long-anticipated XPro4. This sleek new mirrorless camera carries the soul of its rangefinder-inspired ancestors while packing a wave of modern upgrades. In this video, we're breaking down all the key highlights, from its improved hybrid viewfinder and sensor to the autofocus and design tweaks that might make it the ultimate tool for street photography lovers. Whether you're a loyal Fuji fan or just curious about what sets this model apart from the competition, this deep dive is for you. So if you're thinking about adding the XPro4 to your kit, or just want to know if it lives up to the hype, hit that subscribe button and let's find out what makes the Fujifilm X-Pro4 truly stand out. The Fujifilm X-Pro4 is shaping up to be one of the most intriguing mirrorless releases in recent memory. Not because it's packed with flashy gimmicks, but because it stays true to a philosophy that values the shooting experience as much as the final image. The X-Pro series has always been about capturing moments with intent, and the fourth generation looks to refine that formula in all the right ways. Starting with the design, the X-Pro4 retains its iconic rangefinder-inspired silhouette. It's got that same solid minimal look, with flat surfaces, discrete dials, and a beautiful balance of retro charm and modern precision. Rumors point to a few small but meaningful physical tweaks, a lighter magnesium alloy chassis and a slightly reworked grip for more comfort during extended shooting. As always, it looks purpose-built for street photography and documentary work. The rear display has been a topic of much debate since the hidden screen design of the XPro3. It split opinions. Some loved the distraction-free approach, others found it limiting. The XPro may 4th strike a balance. While nothing's confirmed, there's talk of a more accessible tilt screen or at least an improved version of the subdisplay, offering more usability without abandoning the clean aesthetic. Whatever direction Fujifilm chooses, this element could define how the XPro4 is received by the wider community. One of the standout features of the XPro line has always been the hybrid viewfinder, and the XPro4 continues to push this concept forward. Expect a higher resolution electronic viewfinder with a faster refresh rate, offering a more responsive and detailed digital preview. At the same time, the optical viewfinder path is rumored to be refined for better clarity and reduced distortion. This dual system lets photographers switch between digital precision and classic framing, an unmatched versatility in modern cameras. Under the hood, performance takes a serious leap. The new sensor, likely a high-resolution X-Trans unit, is expected to deliver richer detail, better low-light handling, and improved color fidelity. Combined with an upgraded image processor, the camera should offer faster startup times, quicker image playback, and more reliable overall speed. Fuji's unique film simulations will shine brighter than ever with the improved color pipeline. Autofocus, often the XPro3's weak spot, is also getting an overhaul. The XPro4 is rumored to feature more phase detection points and smarter subject tracking powered by AI. That means better eye and face detection, improved subject lock even in tricky lighting, and smoother performance for moving subjects. This brings the XPro4 closer to the standards set by brands like Sony and Canon, but without losing its Fuji identity. Video has never been the XPro series' main focus, but the XPro4 isn't ignoring it. Leaked details hint at respectable 4K and possibly higher resolution video modes, 10-bit color depth, and better rolling shutter control. That makes it a solid option for creators who shoot both stills and short videos, even if it's not positioned as a video-first camera. Overall, the XPro4 is about refinement over reinvention. It listens to what loyal users wanted, keeps what makes the series special, and brings meaningful upgrades where it counts. It's a camera designed not to impress on paper, but to inspire in the field. So, is the Fujifilm X-Pro for the camera we've all been hoping for? If the updates are anything close to what we're seeing in these early reports, the answer might just be yes. It's not trying to be everything for everyone. Instead, it's carving a space for creators who value feel, experience, and image quality above all. The X-Pro4 honors Fujifilm's philosophy while adding enough modern flair to stay competitive. For purists, street photographers, and longtime fans of the brand, this could be the dream camera that balances tactile joy with cutting-edge performance. Thanks for watching Technify. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give it a like, leave your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and photography insights. Ring the bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep creating, keep capturing, and stay tuned with Technify.